It's impulsive. I mean, I don't know. I don't think anyone should listen to me and buying watches, to be honest, because I will literally hurt your bank. I'm in that moment where I walk into a watch boutique and I say to myself, I like it. Why did I step in today? Because this is the new Santos de Cartier in titanium. I don't know what you've been reading online, man, but this is such a beautiful watch.
Not shiny like this one.
And it's 39,000 or how much is it?
42.
Oof.
Yeah.
Why? Why?
Was there another price increase in Cartier?
No,
I
it's
still
it's
didn't
a
get
novelty.
over.
I can assume that polishing will not work the same as the stainless steel watch. You shouldn't be polishing this watch. But when you look at the edges of it, you know, it's got a little bit of shine. Then it's lighter.
The last
This one is
one.
novelty. It's 42,000.
And it's going to be mass produced. Everyone can buy it.
So this is the most important. So, but I'm not sure. I honestly.
I hope you limit it. Just sell me one and close the door after that.
We cross the finger, maybe.
Please?
Yeah, let's see.
Because it's about time Cartier goes into demand, you know?
Yeah.
There's a lot of reviews based on pictures and images. I'm a victim of it too, so I did kind of whisper something out not too long ago. I said to myself, I'll reserve it till I get hands-on with this watch. And my intention was not even to buy it. My intention was like to go, maybe get some footage of it and say, you know, I really like this watch, but I shouldn't buy this watch because, you know, I don't need this watch. And why did you do that, Mr. Ritter? I'm not quite sure. This conversation with self right now, like, do you need another watch? You don't need another watch. Do you need another Santos? No, you don't need another Santos. You know, I also picked up the Dumont not too long ago. But this is beautiful, man. It looks like it's made for me, right?
Yeah.
Like this specific piece. How many pieces did you sell? A lot?
This is the first day today.
So no one bought it yet?
No, yes, only one client with me. Before you.
And how many
But it
pieces
was
do you
an
have?
appointment.
Oh, and you know, the edges of the case is also polished, right? I don't know if you can see this through camera, but there is a bit of shine to it. I didn't see that mentioned in any other videos. It's light with the bracelet. It's even lighter with the strap. Let me get the strap and show it to you as well. I know it's subjective, right? Because you say value, it's what it means to you, you know, blah, blah. I understand. But for someone who bought so many Santoses like me, how does it look on the strap?
Actually looks good on the strap too.
And this is the Santos de Cartier in titanium on the strap that it comes with. So you get the titanium bracelet, but then you also get this cool gray suede strap. It actually makes the watch even lighter, like much lighter. Like I don't even feel this on my wrist, and it's new, so it will take some time to, you know, fit well. But let me know what you think. I'm probably gonna do like a Rida long hands-on review video. I just don't have the time. I've got so much things planned for today. If you've got 11,000 US, look no further, man. Forget your Rolex and the rest of them. Run up to these guys, because seeing what I've seen at the boutique today, I wouldn't be too surprised if we're gonna enter a whole demand supply game situation. I don't know what it is, man. I don't know what to tell you. I just know that this is the one Santos de Cartier that you will not regret. See you guys soon. With the satin finish watch like this, it's very difficult to match straps.
Yeah, with satin, but with matte, it's different.
Technically, they don't have the same scratch level on the bezel, although titanium also will scratch. Depends on which grade it is. I wish this was loomed. It's not. I mean, I walked in to just peek. To peek. Really?
Oh.
Ka-ching!
Sorry, but to disturb you.
That's Rida's smile when he gets a watch.
Bye-bye.